children, welcome back. So in this session we are going to learn complete. What does it mean? You can observe here, draw wings to the butterfly. What does it mean? Here the picture is incomplete. So we have to complete this butterfly by drawing its wings. That is what complete means. Okay, now let's complete the butterfly by drawing its wings. How we will draw? First I am going to draw like this to get a perfect shape. Okay, now I am going to join this. See, now this side. This is the shape of butterfly's wing? Yes. How many of you like butterflies? There are so many colors of butterflies you can see every day, right? So I have completed drawing the wings. Let's decorate this one. I am going to draw small circles in this wings. Okay? Now it's completely finished. See how beautiful it is looking. So children, try to draw this one in your rough copies and try to color it this one. Okay. Now let us see. So children, every day you are seeing cars, right? What is the shape of its wheel? It will be in round shape, circle shape, right? How we will draw wheels? First you put one dot in the middle and draw lines like this. So this is how the car wheels will look like, right? And ants' legs will be like this, right? Straight lines. Now, you might have drawn the candle so many times, right? Did you remember? Let us see how the candle looks like. First, draw a bigger line, standing line, and next to it, one small line, standing line. Join this one with a sleeping line. Here, slanting line. Okay? Now, let's draw a string. After that, fire. So this is how the candle looks like. This is the wheels of car looks like, and these are the legs of ant. This is how the candle will look like. So let us see the textbook, what he gave in that. Okay. So this is your textbook now children. So in the last session we have completed page number 10, which is peek-a-boo. Right. Now let's move on to the page number 11, complete. You can see the pictures here. Let's discuss this one now. So children, here draw two wheels on the car. Here you can see the car. It is incomplete. What we have to draw here? Wheels. We have to draw wheels. How many? The shape of these wheels will be in circle shape. Right? Let's draw circle here. I have shown you now children how to draw wheels. First draw circle. Okay. Now here to make it easy, put one dot in the middle. Okay. Now let's draw the lines. This is how we are drawing the lines children. Okay. See, this is the wheel of a car. Here how many wheels he is asking to draw? 2 wheels. let's draw the second wheel here. The same way we are going to draw, children. Circle. Right? I'm going to draw it properly, children. If you got any mistake, erase it and try to draw it one more time. It's better you draw lightly first and then make it little darker, okay? See. Now, put one dot, draw lines. Similarly, we have to draw the lines. See, I have finished drawing wheels, right? He asked to draw 2 wheels on the car. So we finished the task. So we have drawn 2 wheels. Now let's move on to the next one. Here you can see it is a picture of ant. What is he asking? Draw 6 legs for the ant. How many legs does ant have? 6 legs. Let's draw. As I have shown you how the ant's legs looks like. This one. Right? Let's draw legs. From here we are going to start, children. 1, 3. Here he is asking 6 legs. So 3 legs on the right side, 3 legs on the left side. Okay? This is the right side and this is the left side. 1, 2, 3. So I have finished drawing the legs on the right side. Now I am going to draw legs on the left side as well. 1, 2, 3. He asked to draw 6 legs for the ant. So we finished the task given here. See, 6 legs. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is finished. We have completed the picture here. This is the ant we have drawn here. Now, candle. Draw 5 candles on the cake. So children, on your birthday, you will cut the cake definitely, right? So, on birthday cake, there will be candle, right? Here, the picture is incomplete. So, what we have to do here? We have to draw candles. Let's draw candles here. How many? 5 candles, right? How we have to draw candles here? Let us see. 1 big slanting line. Next, 1 small standing line. And here you have to join this one with the slipping line. Here, slanting line. Here we have to draw fire, right? This is how we will draw fire. In the same way we have to draw here also, children. How many? 5 candles, right? Let's draw. Here I am separating with the dots, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles we have to draw. I am adjusting this place by putting dots here. You can see it clearly. Okay? Now, let's draw the first candle. Standing line. Join this one. Here, fire. So we finished first candle. Now let's draw the second candle here. Okay, like this you have to draw. So second one we finished. Here it is looking little light, children. I am going to make it little darker. I am going to trace this one again. See, it's looking dark now. Now, third one we have to draw. This is my third candle I have drawn here. So easy, no children? On your birthday, according to your birthday, you will place candles, right? If you are 3 years old, you will place 3 candles. 5 years old, 5 candles, right? See, I finished 4 and now I am going to draw 5th one. Standing line. So this is how we finish this 5th one also. So first, the cake is incomplete with the candles. So we have completed the cake by drawing candles. Now see how beautiful it is looking, right? Are you feeling hungry? Hope so, right? By seeing this yummy delicious cake, right? So children, the car is incomplete without these wheels. So we have drawn these wheels and the car is completed. Now here we have drawn legs, right? So that ant is completely ready. Now here we have drawn candles. So the cake is also completed. Now you can see this one. These pictures are at least half colored, right? The picture we have drawn on the board, which is butterfly, is looking so dull. Let's go and color it, okay? So now here I am going to color with pink. The wings are going to turn into pink color. See, I am avoiding these circles in middle because I am going to color another color here. Now this wing as well. You can see how beautiful it is looking. See, you all like butterflies, right? Sometimes you also have caught that butterflies and you enjoyed with that. See, I have completed with the pink one. Now I am going to color this body with blue color. See, some butterflies will have the same color, but some butterflies will look in different shades. Now in the middle I am going to color green here. See, so with this one we are going to finish this butterfly. See children, how beautiful it is looking now. So we have learned this one in this session. So in the next session I'll be coming up with the next topic. Till then, thank you.